Hi, I just want to share with you my free tags, what I received when I was in the swap on website myscraproom.ning.com, and this is what free tags I received. We should do dolls tags. And I actually love it. It's so beautiful tags. I was so excited and glad when I received it. So this first tag is from Debbie Vignolia. Thank you, Debbie. And it's very nice girl, and she's on the mountains a little bit, and it's beautiful fence. And I love these pretty flowers. Look at these flowers. I never saw these flowers. It's very simple but cute. I love it. And the brown is my favorite color. And the second tag is just for me. I love this doll. I don't have this stamp yet. And this is from Aline McDonald. So thank you, Aline. You didn't send me your YouTube or other information, so hopefully maybe someday you will see your work. And I do love this tag. It's so pretty. I love this fence, and it's very heavy, cheap board she was using for this tag. I love it. And like I did to put these flowers and little doily here. Very cute. Love it. And the third doll is from Christine Vigord Villards. Sorry, Christine. Yeah. Anyway, she was using tags what come with same stamps, and it's very pretty flowers. I love it. Very cool. I don't have this tag also, so I mean this stamp, so it's actually very nice. So one more time, girls. So I send it, my own tag actually looks like this. This is what I sent it to for my swap, and this is what I received. See, it's gorgeous, very beautiful tags. So thank you for watching, and wish you all have good evening. Bye.